Ma'am, we are doing fraction, na? We are left with 1.5 page.
Okay.
1/4 page.
Quickly moving on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we are doing fraction.
Yes, we are doing
We,
fractions. We are on
we are
number
left,
28.
ma'am, we are left with this and the page this.
So last question is yet to be done. No, this question is to be
Yes.
done, huh?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Question number 3. Okay, quickly moving on to question number 3. Make up your own picnic. It should be easy to share between 10 people. See, whenever
Ma'am,
you go to picnic,
oh, yes.
Ma'am, shall we start writing, ma'am?
sorry, beta.
Shall we start writing question number 3 of our own
Yes. We'll
picnic?
be solving question number 3. Okay. So what I'm supposed to do, it should be easy so that you can share your stuff between 10 people. Now you are 10 friends on your...
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Okay. So if there are 10 people, how many, and it should be very simple to distribute, okay? No more calculations, no more getting jumbled up. It will be very simple. So how many cartons of juice will you take?
Ma'am, 5. Because we have to share, na, ma'am.
There are...
No.
It is said over here that it should be easy to share between 10 people.
Ma'am,
So we take 5.
each person will get one what we call cartons. What we call, ma'am, that?
What we'll do now, we'll take 10 cartons of juice so that everybody gets one carton of juice. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll write 10 over here. Because when 10 cartons of juice will be divided among 10 people, everybody will get 1. So how many cartons of juice you will take? 10 cartons of
1. Yes. And everyone will get one carton.
Ma'am, just wait a second. The pages in my match book, they got finished. 1 second.
Sorry, beta. Okay. How many pizzas will you take so that you get... How many pizzas?
Swimming pool.
Ma'am.
Yes.
What happened?
How many pizzas? I'm asking you question number 2.
Yes.
We will take dash pizzas divided into dash.
Swimming pool, ma'am.
What we do is...
Ma'am, there is 10 slices of pizzas, so each one will get one.
Yes. So if we take one pizza, see, one...
I don't swimming.
10 slices. So one pizza will have 10 slices. So what will happen? Everybody will get how many slices? Everybody will get
one. Just one slices.
Simple.
Yes.
A pizza, we'll take one pizza and we will cut into 10 pieces. So that everybody gets one slice.
Yes.
Okay. How many apples? We'll take 10 apples. So that everybody gets one apple each.
Yes.
Okay. How many cakes we can get? We can take?
Ma'am, I think we can take how many? Wait, ma'am.
We'll take one cake and divide it into 10 pieces.
Half.
And dividing it will become very difficult. So what will
Ma'am.
Yes.
We will take one cake and cut in 6 parts like this, ma'am.
Okay, we can do, or what we can do is, when we have, we'll keep it very simple. We'll take one cake and divide into 10 parts. Simple. Because what it should be easy to share now. So we'll take one cake, take 10 slices. So that everybody will get one slice each.
Yes, ma'am.
One slice each. It should not be difficult for you to understand, okay? And how many tomatoes will take 10 tomatoes? So how much will each
Yes,
one
ma'am.
get? How many tomatoes will eat?
One.
One tomato each?
One.
Simple this is.
Yes, ma'am.
You're not trying to complicate it by doing half, quarter, 1/4, 1/3. No. Keeping it very simple. Is this clear up till now? You'll be
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
10 cartons of juice. Since there are 10 people, each one will get one carton. We'll be taking one pizza, we'll divide it into 10 pieces so that everybody gets one slice each. Then we'll be taking 10
Yes, ma'am.
apples. Everybody will get one apple each. And what about the cakes? We'll take one big cake and we'll make 10 big pieces from it. So everybody
Yes.
gets one piece out of it, and then we'll be taking 10 tomatoes. So everybody is getting one tomato.
One. Yes, ma'am.
Very clear. Can I move on to the next page now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you done with noting it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Ma'am, we have to draw a picture diagram number line.
The next page you're supposed to draw.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is this?
Ma'am, can you erase?
Yes, I'll just clear this. Give me a second, beta.
Ma'am, I have another means what we call an different page.
There are slight differences na, in the test book. That may be because of that.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Quickly, we'll be reading this. I hope everybody else is also paying attention to what I'm doing. Hamza is here, Nida is here, Sohan, Zoeb is here. Ikra, your camera is off today.
I will on my camera. The video is stuck.
Okay,
Frozen.
Okay. Your media player has 32 gigabytes of storage. How many storage it has? 32. Out of
32 GB, ma'am.
Out of which, no scribbling on the screen, beta, please. Out of which 1 GB is for song, 3 GB is for podcast, 4 GB is app, 6 GB games, and 10 GB is movies. We'll all first add all these, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We do 1 plus 3.
Plus 6, 1, 2, 3,
That
4,
we know
5,
how
6,
much space will be occupied.
5, 6,
Plus
7,
4
8, 9, 10,
plus 6.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
14.
Ma'am, 24. Ma'am, 24.
Yes.
24.
So when
24.
we total all this up, how much do we get?
24,
Ma'am, we have
24, 24,
Right there.
24.
We're supposed to add all of them.
again? Can you
explain
explain it again? We have to write in first line.
First, you're going to add all the storage. You'll be adding 1, 3, 4, 6, and 10. Add all of them first.
Ma'am, here we have to write like 1 and that
3.
write it.
Yes, you're supposed to write it in your notebook.
This we will write in notebook.
Yes. Add
Ma'am,
1.
can you explain it again?
See, we have a media player which has 32 GB of memory. Okay? Out of which
Voice cracking, ma'am.
it has some songs and some apps in the
Ma'am, your voice is really cracking.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It will settle down within some time. Now, just try and pay attention. The music player has some.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to add all the memory. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10.
Ma'am, can you do again, ma'am? Can you do again because your voice is really cracking.
You're supposed to add all of them. Just add all of them. What is the total that you get? Add 1 plus 3, 4.
24. Can you say it again because your voice was really cracking?
Okay. See, kids. Now listen carefully. We have a media player which has 32 GB of memory, out of which there are some songs, apps, and games which it already has. So, what are we going to do? We will be adding all the memory that it has and subtract it from 32. What we'll be doing? We'll be adding all this and subtract from 32. So, how much will you get? 32 minus 24? What is the answer?
Six, ma'am. 6.
32 minus.
Ma'am, how you minus? Okay, okay. Ma'am, I know how to do this.
Ma'am, sorry. It's 7. 7. It is 7.
No, how will it be 7? It will be 8. What are we going to
Yes.
do? Can we subtract 2
And
from
this is
4?
the second one.
Can we subtract 2 from 4? No.
No.
We will borrow 1 from 3.
Yes. So it will become 12.
12. Subtract 4 from 12. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 8, 8.
8. And 1?
It
Sorry,
can be,
sorry,
it
this will become
cannot
2.
be.
This will become 2. Just a second.
Ma'am.
This will become 2.
Yes, ma'am. It will become 2.
Bye. So 2 minus 2 is 0.
Yes. So it will come 8.
Okay. How much memory is left? 8 GB memory is left
8.
now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Using a diagram or a number line, draw 3 different ways that you could fill your media player so there is no empty storage. We have to fill in that way that there is no
Ma'am, your
empty
voice is
storage.
really cracking.
No, ma'am. It is not cracking.
I don't know why I think there is some problem in the ad with your network beta because I never face this.
No, ma'am, there are not correct.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is not cracking.
Yes. So just go
Yes, ma'am.
to some other place so that you can hear me clearly, okay? Because it's cracking, not cracking is only disturbing me now. Okay, so we'll be drawing a diagram so that the entire storage gets occupied. Okay, so we'll make a pie diagram. What is a pie diagram? You're supposed to draw a circle in a
Cake.
pie diagram. We'll
Yes,
draw a
ma'am.
circle,
Like a
okay?
cake.
Yes, it will look like a cake.
Ma'am, like this, my circle is not good.
Okay, this is a pie diagram. Okay, and now we will fill in such a way that no space is left. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll draw a line over here. How many lines are we going to draw? How many things we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll be drawing 5 different lines. Okay. First lines will be
Yes.
small and other lines will be big.
Okay, ma'am. I understand.
1,
Ma'am, I didn't get the first one. What did you get?
2,
Okay, ma'am.
3,
Wait. I mean,
4 and 5.
Ma'am, we have to make it here only.
You can make it in your textbook or in your notebook, whatever is suitable. Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
Make 5 compartments. First, the compartment should be small, other should be big because we have bigger data. No? Okay. So in compartment number 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, ma'am. Done.
okay, we will keep compartment number 1. You know what we will do? We have to arrange it in such a way that all 8 GB that is left now, even that has to be full. So we will not touch movies. What will we do? We will not touch movies. Rest, we have 4 now. We will divide this 8 GB in the next 4 lines. We have 8 GB left. Pay attention, kids, okay? We have how many GBs are left? 8 GBs.
8.
Okay. And how many divisions, how many options are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we cannot divide 5 by 8. What we will do? We will divide by 4. We will be dividing it by 4.
Ma'am, how I can make the diagram?
Make a circle and
अम्मा
make
अल्ताफ
5
भाई का
parts.
फोन आया.
Okay, so 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. We want to distribute this 8 among the first 4 options. We'll be distributing 8 GB in the first 4 options. So each of them will get how much more? Each one will get, beta? 2 more.
Yes.
Each one will get 2 more. Okay. So what is happening? Here it was 1 gigabyte over here. We will give more 2 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2?
Ma'am, you write
What, ma'am? 1 plus 2, 3. 3, ma'am.
Yes, it will become 3 gigabyte.
Yes. Ma'am, but I have different page. How I can do in this?
You just write it in your notebook, beta. This becomes 3. Okay, let me just clear this. Okay, this one has 3 gigabyte. We will add 2 here also. All of them will give 2. Okay, how much will it become? 3 plus 2 is equals to
5.
5. This becomes 5 gigabyte. Okay, this has 4 gigabyte. So plus 2 plus 2. How much will it become? 4
4.
plus 2 is
4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6. 6. 6. 6.
6.
6.
So this becomes 6 gigabyte. Hmm? Okay, games has 6. We will add 2 here also. How much will this become? 6 plus 2 becomes
Ma'am, 8. 8.
8. Okay. And for the last one, we will not touch because we divided only by 4. Right? Last one, we will not add. We will keep it as it is. Okay. So now, can you add the numbers 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10? Please add and show it to me. I will do it here also. Okay, I'll do it here. Now the new numbers become 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8, and the last one we did not touch now, so that remains 10 only. That remains 10.
Ma'am, I'm not done. Please don't erase.
No, I will not erase. Take your time.
Ma'am, when we divide when we divide 24 continuously and the remainder is 2, so we have to add it with the remaining ones like 1 plus 3, 1,
Yes,
1
yes,
plus
we'll be
2 is
adding
4.
with all the options available, remaining the last one. Why? Because we divided here by 4. There are 5
Yes.
options, but we divided by 4. Okay. Why did we divide by 4? Because 8 will not be divisible by 5.
Yes,
You will
it
get
will
an
not
answer
be
fraction,
divisible.
which I don't want. So what did I do? I selected only 4 options. So what answer did I get? 2. Now 2 I will add in each option. I added 2. What numbers did I get? 3, 5, 6 and 8. And 10 remains as it is. Okay, now add 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8.
Ma'am, the answer is 32.
32. So
32
what
more.
answer did we get?
32.
So now can we say that we have used the entire space? Now we
Yes,
got the
ma'am.
entire
Yes,
space.
ma'am.
Now we will plot it in this. Okay, now we have to plot it. We have to write it with the numbers also. Okay. So what is the first one? First one is 3. We'll write 3 over here. And what is it? It shows songs. Now we will put an arrow and say this songs. It's so difficult to write with a free hand. Three is songs. Okay. This is, I'll say this is 5. So 5 is for podcast. Then we can say this is 6. And this is for, what is 6? What option is 6?
Ma'am, it is apps.
Ma'am,
Apps,
apps.
Very good.
Games.
Okay. Then we have 8.
Yes, ma'am. 8. 8 we have games.
8 we have games.
And 10. In 10 we have movies.
10 we have movies. Sorry.
Game 6 GB. 6 GB games.
Did you all understand what did we do? First we added.
Yes, ma'am.
What answer did we get? We got 24. But it is telling that you should arrange the data in such a way that there is no space left. So we divided the 8 GB with 4. The answer we got 2. This 2 we added in the first 4 options. So when we added 2 to all the options, 1 plus 2 became 3, 3 plus 2 became 5, 4 plus 2 became 6, and 6 plus 2 became 8. And 10 was left untouched. Now what will I do? I will draw a pie diagram and I will plot it over there. So what is the answer over here? The first answer was 3. I wrote 3 over here and I wrote songs. Then I will write 5 over here and I will draw podcast. Okay, complete this quickly.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Can I move on?
Ma'am,
to the
I
next
counted with my fingers. It is, ma'am, I counted with my fingers. It is
Yes.
32, ma'am.
It's 32
Correct,
now.
ma'am.
There is no mistake
Correct.
now.
No mistake, ma'am.
Okay. Can we move? Can we move on to the next one?
Ma'am,
Yes,
look
ma'am.
mine.
Get a little
What?
clear now, but it is not very clear now.
Ma'am, can we move on to the next one?
Okay. Can I move on to the next section, please?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. We are done done with the chapter?
Ma'am, done.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
there's one more question left. Just a second. We do just one question. Let me just clear this now.
Ma'am, your
Yes.
voice is very much cracking.
It will get better. It will get better. Don't worry. Okay. What?
Ma'am, your voice gone.
Ma'am, you are frozen.
Okay, kids. I hope it is better now. Bilal, can you hear
Yes.
me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the video is stopped. Yes, ma'am. No.
No, it is not stuck.
What fraction of space is
Not
taken
stop.
What fraction of space is taken up by each of media? Write it down. Okay, now you have to write the fraction.
Ma'am, which one we are doing, ma'am?
We are doing question
Ma'am,
number
which?
2.
Okay, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Where, ma'am? Page number?
2. Page number 26. Question number 2.
Ma'am, that fraction only?
Yes, about the fraction. Last one, quickly, 10 minutes. I'll just do it and then we're done with this chapter. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Don't
what
take
was
take, ma'am.
first one? My first number was, now you're supposed to write it in fractions. Okay, what fraction of space is taken up by each of the media? Okay, total we have 32 media. 32 it was.
Yes.
Total was 32. So what does the song becomes 1 upon 32? Now you're supposed to write the fractions now. Okay, we just write it over here.
Ma'am, what to write?
I'm writing. Give me a second. Songs become 1 divide by 32. 1 divide by 32. Now you're supposed to write fractions for each. Okay. What is the second one? Please tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have to
Ma'am, it
see.
is 3, ma'am.
What is the second one? What is the main option?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
podcast.
podcast.
Sorry.
Podcast.
Podcast. Okay. Podcast. Okay. What is the number over there, beta?
3, ma'am. 3. It is
3.
Can we write three?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 3.
Yes.
It is 3.
So
No,
we'll be
ma'am.
writing
3, ma'am. 3. Ma'am, 3.
Writing 3 upon 32.
That's fine.
Because now you're writing in fractions. 3 upon 32. Can we cancel 3 upon 32?
No.
No. So this will remain as it is. 3 upon 32.
Yes. And 30 is apps, ma'am.
3
And
upon
4
And
upon.
third one is apps, ma'am, and it is
And it
4
can
GB.
be.
4 GB,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it can be
It can
divided.
be divided also, na? Yes.
Can be
Let
divided.
me just write
Yes.
52 over here and then we'll move. What is the option now?
Because 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 16 is 32. So it can be divided. by phone.
Okay, what is the third option?
Ma'am, apps,
Okay.
and it is 4 GB, ma'am, and it can be, ma'am, divided, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, it can be
because
divided.
4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 16 32. It can be divided.
Ma'am, next was apps.
Okay, what is the number over here?
4.
4.
4,
So
4,
what will
4,
we
4.
do? We'll divide 4 by 32. When do we get
Yes.
32 in 4's table, beta?
4 8 is 32.
4 8s are
4
32.
8 are 32.
Very good. Okay. So we'll just cancel this.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, after app is like that game.
Ma'am, can you write?
Yes, I'm
No,
just, let me just cancel
ma'am,
this.
shall I?
Yes, Milan, we can do the next
Yes.
one. 4 1s are 4. 4 8s are 32.
Wait a second, ma'am. I'll choose a color.
4 1s are 4. 4 8s are 32. For app, the fraction.
Ma'am, fourth one is games. Fourth one is games.
So what is the number in the video?
6.
6. So what is
Six,
it like? 6 upon 32. Do we get 6 or
6
32
upon
in 6 table
32.
data? Do we get 6 in 32 sorry, 32 in 6 table?
Everybody, your voice is breaking. I think I have network problem.
Whose? Ma'am?
Bilal, are you writing it with our games?
Yes, ma'am. 6. 30.
Okay, 6 upon 32. 6 upon 32.
No, ma'am, we do not get 32. We
No.
don't
So
get
what are we
32.
going to do?
It will
No, ma'am.
remain.
Yes. So what are we going to
It
do?
will remain as it is.
No, we will cut, but with the table of 2. We'll cut with the table of 2.
2.